Your visitors are busy. They skim, scroll, and jump between tabs, and sometimes they don't fully grasp what they're reading. What if they had an AI assistant right beside your content, ready to explain anything instantly? With WP Dark Mode's AI social share buttons, your readers can open your web page inside ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Grok with one click. The page link loads automatically in the AI model, where visitors can ask, "Explain this to me, summarize this part, rewrite this for students, or help me understand this product." It gives them instant clarity without scrolling back or getting stuck. And here's the best part. This feature is 100% SEO safe. It doesn't modify your content, add scripts to your metadata, or interfere with indexing. It simply opens the page in a new tab. No tracking, no crawling conflict, no ranking disruption. Perfect for blogs, tutorials, technical guides, and product pages where readers want quick AI-powered explanations. To turn it on, go to WP Dark Mode, Social Share. Enable AI Social Share buttons, choose where they appear, save your settings, and your visitors now have an AI helper ready anytime, without affecting your SEO in any way.